Hey guys, welcome back to Castaway TV. I'm out here today in the middle of nowhere trying to camp. I picked up a hammock on the way here, so we're gonna try and hook it up between these two trees here, and hopefully it works, because otherwise I have to find a new place to sleep. And it's already like 4 o'clock. I need to get firewood, everything together, eat dinner, and yeah, so let's get moving. Alright, if I would have just read the instructions, it really isn't that complicated. I was about to do this, which the whole rope could fall down. Instead, you're supposed to loop this through this, tighten that up. Well, that's gonna be tight enough. Much better. I don't even know if I'm in the frame. All right. All right, this air mattress is hopefully gonna add some insulation for me tonight. It was plus 15 today. It's probably dropped down to about 8 right now, and it's gonna be -8 tonight, feel like -14. So I need all the help I can get. I have some more layers in here to help keep me warm, but it's gonna be frigid tonight, especially after a warm day. So hopefully it's not too cold. Otherwise, I'm heading out tonight. All right, it has taken me a little while to get everything rigged up, but we finally have our shelter done. Hammock is sturdy enough, I believe, to keep me up for the night. It is pretty comfy, as far as I can tell so far, but we'll see once I actually lay down for the night. But anyways, I've got to get some wood going here. I don't technically need to have a fire because I have my propane burner with me, but I think I'm going to want to have a fire for the extra heat here while I hang out and eat dinner. Temperature is dropping pretty quick here. We got our fire going. I got some wood cut. I also got a couple extra trees that I can cut up after dark if I want to continue to have a fire. When I went camping with Koshal at the start of winter, that's kind of where I think we made a mistake, because it was dark by 5 and we were cutting wood the whole time it was light out. instead of taking advantage of the light. We could have just collected wood and cut wood by the fire. But anyways, I haven't made a video in a while. We've had a little bit of a hiatus here. Life's been kind of changing for me. I won't get too deep into it, but I just want to say I'm back. Maybe not as consistent as always, but I'm going to try to start getting back in the swing of things, start getting out on adventures here. Now that the weather's starting to change, it's a little more feasible for me, and I want to get out there. I can't wait to get out, do some fishing, some canoe camping. Super excited for the year to come. This spot here that we're at right now, I actually came out and scouted about 2-3 weeks ago. There's a waterfall down the way, beautiful area. But yeah, right now everything is starting to melt and it's kind of swampy in between, so it's pretty hard for me to get even to this location, but we made it out. And yeah, I need to go get some water. The snow here is all, because of it melting, it's all kind of just dirty now, so I'm not going to use that. Yeah, let's go get some water. Alright guys, unfortunately it has started to rain on me. I let that water boil for a long time because it was kind of murky water. It was running water, it's all the melting snow, but I don't know. It was kind of murky. Oops. Ooh. Powder didn't mix well. Oh. Well, hopefully this dies off here soon. Not a very good temperature to be raining. It's probably going to transition to snow if it keeps going, or freezing rain, which is even worse. I got all my gear kind of under my canopy here, but this is not the comfiest scenario to be in, I'm not going to lie. I mean, if I get my sleeping bag and just give up on the day, it wouldn't be that bad, but it's only like 6 o'clock. Oh boy, now it's snowing. Let's see what this is like. Oh, ooh, ooh. I left it a little longer than the recommended time, but oh, that looks pretty damn good. I'm really hungry, so my opinion doesn't really matter right now, but this is so good. Alright guys, it is getting dark fast out here. I just cut up a ton of firewood. That bigger tree that I dropped, I cut up probably 2/3 of it. And I've got some big pieces there I'm gonna throw on just before I go to bed in case I wake up and I'm cold. I'll try to get that fire going again. But yeah, I honestly just realized as I was doing that this is the first real trip of the year. We're not bougie in an ice hut with a diesel heater. We've got a fire in the background. First time we're gonna ever sleep out on a hammock, which I'm excited to see how that really is. But I'm also kind of nervous that it might be absolutely terrible. It's comfy to lay in for a few minutes, but I don't know what it's gonna be like for 8 hours. So I guess I'll check in with you on that one in the morning. But yeah, for now, I am going to just hang out by the fire. I guess it's gonna get dark here, and then we're gonna go to bed. Oh, all right, guys. I've been sitting at the fire for a couple hours now. It's about 9:30, so I've got some big logs on there. It's kind of dying out, but I don't expect to get out of bed to go hang out by the fire. It's kind of just a last case scenario, but worst case, whatever. Anyways, let's see what it's like in my bed for the night. Oh. All right. Okay, this is actually pretty cozy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of excited. Alright guys, that's it for me. I am ready for bed. I will check back in with you guys either if something crazy happens in the night or when I wake up in the morning. Anyways, good night y'all. Good morning, guys. It's about 6:30. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't sleep the greatest, but the hammock is super comfy. I mainly didn't sleep because of the wind blowing either this around or the tarp above me, and it is chilly out. I had to bury my face in the sleeping bag at times just to kind of keep warm. My body's good, but it was my face was just freezing. Yeah, anyways, I've got a big day ahead of me, so I want to get out of here. So I'm going to get out of this hammock and get packed up. Maybe. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh. Oh, these boots are gonna be so cold. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright guys, I'm packed up, I'm ready to go. My water bottle completely froze last night, so it just shows how cold it was. But it was a great night. Definitely could have been warmer, as I said, but in terms of a campsite, this was friggin' perfect. I was tucked away in behind these rocks, which did help a bit for the wind, but it was just so windy. You cannot avoid it when it's like that. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna do the hammock again, just in some warmer weather. We'll test it then, and I think I'll have a great sleep. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, just keep going, one day at a time.